Today's video is a follow-up to a previous video I made about how to cloak your affiliate links on ad platforms like Meta, TikTok ads, and Google ads. This video on your screen right here serves as a foundation and a solid starting point for what I'm going to be teaching you today. So I highly recommend to go watch that video first, then come back to this one afterwards. Video is available on this channel. You can either click on the card on this video right now, or you can simply find the link in the description section below. I'm going to be walking you through exactly how to promote affiliate offers on Facebook ads. You will learn everything in this video, literally from how to cloak affiliate links correctly within Cloaking House and how to get your Facebook campaigns approved easily. The very first step is finding an affiliate offer to promote. And you can come over to halfpaying.com. It is a platform that lets you find various affiliate networks you can join, which in turn gives you access to varieties of offers to promote. However, if you are unsure on which platform to join, I recommend beginner-friendly platforms like ogads.com. As you can see here, you can also go over to cpagrip.com, clickbank.com. You can also come over to digistore24.com as well. These are all great platforms if you are just starting out to gain experience. So I'm going to be taking Clickbank as an example. Once you sign up, you have access to the marketplace section where you can then find various affiliate offers and products you can start promoting on Facebook ads. Okay, so all you need to do once you come over to the marketplace, you can see right here, you can filter offers based on the niche. Okay, you can even see more options right here you can play around with. Okay, so for this video, we are going to be taking the health and fitness niche as an example. So once you do this, you're going to see a ton of affiliate products and offers you can start promoting on Facebook ads and start earning money. So I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to take this product here as an example. You want to make sure to take a few minutes to read the guidelines and instruction of that product. For instance, this one here is going to pay us $140 for every sale we make. And you want to then come over to the affiliate resource page. So coming over here is going to give us even more information about this product before we start promoting it. So if you scroll down here, it's going to show us the target demographics of this product. As you can see the age right here, you can see the gender, you can also see the locations they are targeting, okay? And finally, you can see the devices as well, and also the type of traffic they want. And as you can see, Facebook is acceptable right here, okay? And this also applies to CPA networks as well, okay? All you just simply need to do is to look for an offer you want to promote. So if I take this offer here as an example, as you can see, this offer wants conversions from United States. It also wants conversions from Android devices, and also it is a mobile install offer, which means people just need to install this app and you get paid. It's that simple. Okay. You then want to grab your unique affiliate link, which is a tracking link that ensures you get paid whenever someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link. And this is the link we are going to be taking to Cloaking House to cloak the link before we proceed to creating our Facebook campaign. So once you do that, you then want to go over to cloaking.house or click on the link in the description, which is then going to bring you to the website. And as you can see here, they offer a 7 days trial limit, which you can use to test out their cloaking tool for free. Now, once your account is created, the very first thing you want to do is to create a white page. And if you don't know why we are doing this is the page that is going to be shown to the moderators on ad platform. These pages are generally compliant and they usually get approved by the moderators of this ad platform. And thankfully, Cloaking House has an inbuilt white page generator, which means you don't have to do any hard work or do anything manually. You can create a white page within Cloaking House in less than 2 minutes. All you just need to do here is to enter a name for your white page. Okay, so once you enter the name, the next thing here is to enter your vertical. And this is going to be the niche you're working with. Okay, so now you want to then select the type of AI model you want. So we are going to be going for ads since we are going to be running ads on Facebook. And now you want to then select the theme of the white page. You then want to select the most related option to the offer or product you're promoting. So I'm going to select health right here. And finally, you want to select language. And this is going to depend on the audience you're targeting on Facebook. You can enter extra information like your domain, company, phone number, email, and keywords if you want to do that. Okay. So for me, I'm just going to skip this and I'm just going to click on generate. As you can see here, it has been generated in less than 2 minutes. All you then need to do is to click on download to download it to your device. So now that we've successfully created our white page, the next step is cloaking our affiliate link. You can just simply come over to the flow section and you can then click on create flow. Now you want to then give your flow a name. So here you want to then type in site.html and I'm going to show you why you need to do this in a moment. And now for the offer page, you want to then select this redirect option, okay? And this is where you're then going to be pasting your ClickBank link, your CPA Grip link, or whatever affiliate link you are using. And so you know you can also use a landing page if you want as well. And then paste in the link in this box, and then you want to click on continue. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. Here you want to then select the amount of times you want a user to see your offer page every single day. And this section here, you want to then select the number of clicks before the cloaking starts working. And here you want to then select the countries you're targeting. Since our offer wants traffic from United States, we are going to be selecting United States right here. And here you want to also select the device as well. This also depends on the device the offer wants traffic from. For operating system, you can select specific operating system as well. This also depends on your offer, right? Now for the browser, you want to do the same as well. If your offer wants specific browser, you can do that here. Select those specific browsers as well. And finally, you can play around with these two settings here if you really know what you're doing. This is for advanced users, okay? And now you want to then click on save. And here you want to then change the status from pause to active. And finally, you want to then click on save. So the next thing you then want to do is to come over to the flow you just created and you want to click on this button. For those who already have their own domain and hosting, all you just need to do is to click on download. The next thing you want to do is to log in to your cPanel account or whatever hosting provider you're using. All right. Then you want to go over to the file manager section. Then you want to locate your domain folder. Then you want to come over to upload. This is where you then want to upload the white page zip file and also the PHP zip file we just downloaded. So I'm just going to drag and drop both files right here. Then you want to wait for it to be uploaded. All right. So once it's uploaded, you then want to go back. And the next thing you then want to do is to extract the first file. So you want to highlight it and you want to then click on extract. All you then need to do here is to come over to the first file and you want to make sure to rename this by right clicking and then you want to click on rename. Then you want to then change this to site. Okay. So this is because that is the name we used within our white page. All right. So you want to make sure you use the same exact name. Then want to extract the PHP file by right clicking on it as well. And you want to then click on extract. This is literally everything you need to do. So if I go over to the domain in a new tab, as you can see, it's going to bring us to this page. Okay. And this is what the moderators are going to see when we submit our ads for review. As you can see, this is a very compliant page, and usually this page will not have any problem getting approved on Facebook or any ad platform. The next thing you're going to be needing is an aged Facebook account, which you'll be using to create your campaigns. So you can either find sellers online with aged accounts and business managers, which you can use to start running your ads. The other option you have is to farm the account yourself. You don't need to purchase it from anyone. And don't worry, I've already made a video on this channel that teaches you how to farm Facebook accounts yourself. So you can check out that video after this one. So whether you're going to be purchasing these Facebook accounts or you're going to be making them yourself, you're going to need an anti-detect browser and a proxy. These two tools here are going to ensure you manage your account and prevent it from getting banned by Facebook. So once your account is then warmed up properly for a few days, you then want to go over to your ads manager section. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to a dashboard that looks like this. And before you start running your ad, you want to make sure to link your card, right? Or you want to make sure to fund your account by coming over to the billing section. And you literally have two methods right here. You can either fund your account or you can just basically add a payment method directly. So whichever method you want to use, just click on it. You want to then select your option, and this is where you will then be able to enter your card details. And so you can come over to pay2.house to also get virtual cards you can use to run campaigns on Facebook. So the next thing you then want to do is to create your campaign. And here you want to then select the objective of your campaigns depending on the offer. Okay. So here I'm going to select sales. You want to then click on continue. And once you do that, this is where you want to give campaign a name. And this is where you then want to enter your budget. And then I'm going to click on next. And here you want to create your first ad set. Okay. So for the first ad set, here you want to then select the website. And so you can set up a Facebook pixel if you want to do that. This greatly depends on the offer as well and what you are looking to achieve. Okay, so once you select the options, so for this case, let's say purchase, all you need to do is to copy this pixel and put it in the head section of your landing page. You will then be able to select the start and end date of your campaign. And then you want to come over to the country section. And this is where you then want to enter your target country. So you want to come over here and filter the age range of the audience, the gender of the audience, and also the demographics as well. This is very important as you don't want Facebook sending generic users to your offer. Rather, you want to enter the audience you want to be seeing your ads. The next thing you then want to do is to click on next. This is where you then want to select the Facebook page you'll be using to run this ad. So you want to scroll down here, and this is where you want to enter your domain URL. And then here you want to then come over to enter your creative, be it image or video ad. So once you do that, you're going to see what your ad is going to look like right here. And this is literally all you need to do. Then you want to click on publish. So as you can see here, this campaign is now active, and this is literally how to cloak your affiliate links on Facebook ads. And if you do this correctly, you're going to start getting high quality traffic from Facebook. And for those who are serious about getting high quality traffic from ad platform, you can literally create multiple flows within Cloaking House depending on your plan. Okay, so you can select any of the plans right here. You want to then come over to the promo code section and enter XP marketing right here. And if you click on proceed payment, it's going to give you 30% off any plan you decide to go with. And once you make your payment, your account is going to be activated right away, and you can start driving high quality traffic to your offer using Cloaking House to cloak affiliate links across various ad platforms.